All right, we're at 8312 East McKenzie Drive in Scottsdale. This thing is listed for 915. It's a 4 bedroom, 3 bath. It's 1,850 square feet. Let's go through it and take a quick video of it. I'm going to flip the camera around here. And here, I'm going to get you a street view first. So it is not a through street, which is nice. Um, all the houses in the area look nice. And then this is the front. So it has just a single car garage, but parking for 2 spots. Let's go into the property and take a look. Has the artificial turf in the pavers. Walking up. A little seating area out here. I'm going to try to bring down the camera a little bit so I can come in here. I'll let the camera kind of adjust in here as we go through. And by the looks of it, keep them coming. I believe this was used for Airbnb just because of everything that's in here. The way they got the map marked out. So this is one of the bedrooms in here. Yeah, this is set up for a Airbnb, definitely, because they got the towels stacked. They're all white. So this would be turnkey, would offer this house, as is set up. Okay, let's turn these lights on. So bathroom, really nicely done tub. Nice shower. Double sinks. Looks like it has new lighting. This has been remodeled very nicely. Then as we come into this area here, you have your kitchen. We'll go down this hallway here. Turn the lights on here. Another bathroom with the double sink. And this one has the tub shower combo. And looks to be fairly remodeled. This house looks like it's been remodeled very nicely. It actually has nice doors on it too. So here you have another bedroom in here. And you have the twin beds. Another bedroom in here. This faces the street view. This is decorated and staged very nicely, actually. And then another bedroom in here. Closet. That's a double bed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beds in total. This one here being the king. And then we have a Samsung refrigerator. Samsung stove. Nice. We have the Samsung microwave down in the cabinet, and then Samsung washing machine. Then we go over here on this side. We got Samsung washer and dryer, front loaders, that's nice. Then you have the one-car garage where they got it set up with a ping pong table. And you get another bathroom here with a door going out to the pool. Nicely done. Let's go out and check out the pool area here. All right. So, pool heater, I like that. I like seeing that. Has the propane tanks here, so I take it that that's running the pool heater. Barbecue or fire pit, I'd say. And then this was a diving pool. They took the diving board off. So it is a deeper pool, but it's a small pool, so it's going to be a little bit more easier to manage. All the way around. The outside area is actually decent. Just needs a little new paint around the pool. It's coming off a little bit, but that's all right. And then your covered patio. Grill area. Putting green. And then this one has a alleyway. Look down the alleyway both directions. And then it has these doors that go into that area, which is the kitchen area. So, cute little house. It's nice that the has a pool bathroom right off the pool here too, so you can shower up. So, overall, very nice. There was one little thing that it didn't open up was that this door back here. I think it's just a closet. Yeah, just a closet for your cleaning supplies. All right. Let me switch the camera back around here and give you my thoughts. All right. I like the area. one of the reasons why I like the area. Actually, I sold a house that was a tear down. That tore down. They bought for 700,000, tore it down less than a mile from here. Not even about a half a mile from here. And so I know the area really well. It's a nice area. Some of the things on this house. It's a 4.3, 1851 square feet. So the price per square foot at this 915, which I think this is, in all honesty, a better value than the one on Weldon. The pool seems very nice. The outside pool area is good. It doesn't have as big as lot as the other one, because the lot is 606,541, but it shows really well. And this is as turnkey as you can get it. I mean, this has better furniture. It's staged nice. It shows nice. It's going to take really nice pictures. I
have the same bowls.
Has the bowls, the plates. We'd ask for everything in here. This is done up nice. The flooring is done nice too. Here, let me flip back around. I'm just going to make sure I can show you the flooring here. Ceiling, that ceiling light. Flooring. So this flooring is throughout the majority of the common areas, and then you do have carpet that's in fairly decent shape in the bedrooms. So flip the camera around here again. What else can I say about this house? That I do like this house. I think this is a better value. And then you're probably wondering, is that a light or whatever? It's a skylight. So, overall, I'm probably making you sick with me moving around, but I think you probably are guys getting used to me by now. I'm going to upload this, send this off to you. I think this is a better deal than Weldon. It's a much nicer house. In the location's a good location, very good location also. Let me know what your thoughts on this one is. I'll catch you guys later.